In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a print-on-demand business with Etsy and Printify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. Starting a print-on-demand business can be incredibly exciting and a great way to express your creativity while generating some income. So let's break this down step by step so you can understand how everything works and how to get started. First, let's talk about the basics. Print-on-demand is a method where you create designs for products, and a third-party company, like Printify, takes care of the printing and shipping for you. You don't hold any inventory, which means you can focus on creating unique designs without worrying about upfront costs or warehousing. The first thing you'll need to do is set up an Etsy account. If you don't already have one, head over to Etsy.com and sign up. Etsy is a fantastic platform for selling handmade and unique items, which aligns perfectly with print-on-demand products. Once you've created your account, take a moment to set up your shop. You'll want to choose a memorable shop name that reflects your brand. Next, it's important to set up your shop policies. Think about how you will handle shipping, returns, and customer inquiries. This part may take a little time, but having clear policies will build trust with your customers and set expectations for them. Now, let's jump into Printify. Head over to Printify.com and create an account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly dashboard. Printify allows you to connect directly with your Etsy shop, making the process smoother for you. You'll want to click on the Manage My Stores section, choose Etsy, and follow the prompts to link your accounts. This integration is crucial because it makes it easier for you to manage your orders. After you've set up the integration, it's time to start designing your products. Printify offers a wide array of items to choose from. Whether it's t-shirts, mugs, or tote bags, there's something for every creative entrepreneur. Click on Catalog and start exploring. As you find products you want to customize, simply click on them, and an intuitive design tool opens up. Now, here's where you can let your creativity shine. Begin designing your products by uploading your artwork or using their templates to craft something unique. A couple of design tips. Try to create designs that cater to a specific audience. For example, if you're targeting dog lovers, consider designing dog-themed apparel or home decor. Once you're satisfied with your designs, it's time to add your products to your Etsy shop. Check the dimensions and product details to ensure everything will translate well for your customers. When you're ready, click on Publish in Printify, and your products will automatically sync with your Etsy store. Now that your products are live on Etsy, it's vital to focus on marketing. This is often the make-or-break step for new businesses. You can start by optimizing your listings with relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions. Think about what your potential customers might be searching for and include those terms. Social media is another fantastic way to drive traffic to your Etsy shop. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are great for showcasing your designs visually. Consider setting up an Instagram account dedicated to your products, posting high-quality images that really highlight your work, and engaging with followers through stories or posts. Don't forget about Etsy ads. You can promote your listings directly through Etsy for a fee, which can help increase visibility. Keep an eye on your analytics to see what's working and what might need adjustment. Lastly, remember that building a successful print-on-demand business takes time and patience. It's perfectly normal to not see immediate results. Stay committed to your designs, constantly look for ways to improve, and keep exploring new ideas. So there you have it, a thorough guide on starting your print-on-demand business with Etsy and Printify. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. We'll see you in the next one.